You can make this sensory umbrella activity in very little time and can make it as adaptable as you would like, relaxing with lights you may have in the house. This is especially nice in the evening or when your room is darkened. I have used a golfing umbrella, which is a good size, and of course mine is plain, but it's just to give you an idea. You can hang a variety of toys and objects from the umbrella prongs, whatever you feel your child might like. There are some suggestions, might be some blank CDs that can spin and catch the light, ribbons, materials, toys that might make a sound when touched. The list is endless and you can change it up whenever you want to. The umbrella also makes a cosy canopy for reading books together. You might even find related items to the story that you are telling to hang from the umbrella. Another idea is for any children in the house to contribute toys, ideas or materials to make the umbrella special. And then this includes everybody. See how many you could squeeze under the umbrella for story time. The umbrella canopy can be used for some quiet, relaxing downtime with music playing in the background. If you Google sensory umbrellas or use Pinterest, you'll get lots of different ideas.